Alright guys, just wanted to give you a quick sound of the exhaust on this Denali. For an everyday driver, it's actually very quiet cruising. It's one of those that's honestly not that loud. It's just enough growl if you want it. So I'm going 37 right now, and I'm about to bump up to 55 just so you can hear it. And that's just being kind of light on the throttle. You can hear the intake just a little bit, but there's really no drone. It's pretty subtle. I'm sure it sounds a little bit louder outside of the cabin, but if you're worried about how it may sound, it's not bad at all. And then now I'm gonna get up to 70 really quick. See, it's just pretty subtle. I'm going to come to a stop here and then go from 0 to 70, just kind of moderate throttle. Nothing much, just kind of something you would do on a day-to-day drive. And you're going to hear it as well. Really no drone. So if you want something that has a little exhaust but not enough to annoy you, I think this is actually a pretty good combination. So just want to give you a sound clip. Thanks.